With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is ratio of number of collisions per second at the walls of containers by helium and oxygen gas molecules kept at same volume and temperature is assume normal incidence on the walls. So we can say here the collision frequency given by Z is the number of collision per, let's say, unit time is given by the formula 2 into, we can say here as sigma square into, here is, let's say, n square into, we can say as, let's say, our V. So this here comes to be our, let's say, as 2 into sigma square. Sigma is our diameter of the molecule. We can say here as n is the number of molecule and say average speed, and we know here average speed is given by the formula 8 divided by pi into RT divided by molecular weight. Now here in the question it says that we need to find the ratio of number of collisions per second. That is, we can see here this, let's say, ratio of Z1 by Z2 for helium and oxygen kept at same volume and temperature. Hence we can say here temperature is same, this n is same, sigma is same, hence value of, let's say, collision frequency is inversely proportional to, we can say, as square root of molecular weight. So we can say here ratio of the collision frequency Z1 by Z2 comes as, let's say, molecular weight of oxygen divided by molecular weight of helium. Hence we can say molecular weight of oxygen is 32 and that of helium is 4. Hence we can see here this comes as root under 8, which here is equal to 2 root under 2. So 2 root under 2 ratio 1, that is option number 3 is the correct answer. Hence we can say here 3 is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.